Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on your laptop. First, you'll want to download the Roblox player application directly from the official Roblox website. Once installed, either create a brand new, free account or simply log in using your existing credentials. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home screen, which is your gateway to exploring countless games and connecting with friends. It's a straightforward process to get started and dive into the fun. Once you're logged in, navigating the Roblox interface is quite intuitive. You can easily use the prominent search bar at the top to find specific games or experiences you're interested in. Don't forget to explore the various game categories, such as popular or top earning, to discover new adventures. You can also access your friends list from the left-hand menu and join them directly in their game sessions, making it simple to play together. When you're in a game, the controls are generally consistent across most experiences. You'll typically use the W, A, S, D keys on your keyboard for character movement, while your mouse controls the camera view. To interact with objects, click on menus, or select items, simply use the left mouse button. Remember, you can always access the in-game menu, usually by pressing the Escape key, to customize your avatar or adjust various settings to enhance your gameplay. Roblox offers robust features for safety and personalization. It's important to adjust your privacy settings to control who can interact with you, ensuring a safe experience. If you encounter any inappropriate content or behavior, utilize the in-game reporting tools, which are easily accessible. Beyond safety, you can spend hours personalizing your avatar with thousands of free and paid items, from clothing to accessories, making your character truly unique and expressive within the Roblox universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.